In this video, I will tell you how to connect your Coinbase wallet with the Bullx and how you guys can withdraw the Bullx assets to the Coinbase wallet. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe as well. So I'm gonna provide the Bullx link in the description below, and you guys can check it out using the Telegram link in the description as well. So what you guys have to do is to just access the Bullx platform, and once you do that, just go to the left hand side and you will see a wallet manager option. And once you're in the wallet manager, you will see a withdraw wallet option here. There will be a lot of currencies mentioned on the top where you guys can see Ethereum, Binance, BNB, then Ethereum for the base, Coinbase, and then Arbitrum, Blast, and Solana. All you have to do is to go to the add wallet option, and in the add wallet, make sure that you select the EVM method and in the EVM type, just type in the name of the wallet that you want to enter and then simply paste in the address, obviously for the from the Coinbase wallet. By following these steps, all you have to do is to click on add wallet option, and that way you will be able to add the wallet in the Bullx. Now what? So simply go ahead and select the asset that you want to withdraw. Once you have selected that asset, simply go ahead and click on withdraw button. And that way, all you have to do is to add a withdraw wallet. If you already have it added a withdraw wallet, it will show over here. You can click on that and withdraw your money. It is that simple and easy. I hope you found this video helpful. And take care. Bye bye.